Everybody, it's me, MD Nuruddin, and welcome back to another brand new video. Guys, Sony finally launched a brand new smartphone in their Xperia series, which is Sony Xperia 1BA smartphone. At first, if I would like to talk about the highlighted features of this smartphone, then the smartphone has attractive design, biggest camera setup, and also powerful chipset. In this video, I'll review price, performance, and specification. After watching the video, you will be able to take a decision this smartphone is value for money or not. So without wasting any more time, let's get started the video. At first, if I would like to talk about the design of this smartphone, then you can see the design of this smartphone is so much attractive. And also the back panel of this smartphone made by glass and plastic. You can purchase this smartphone only 192 gram weight. You will find 3-fold camera setup at the rear panel. And also the front panel of this smartphone has a punch hole cutout camera setup. This smartphone has IP68 water resistant. That means you can put your phone under 1.5 meter water for 30 minutes. We can purchase this smartphone by only 4 colors: silver, black, green and red. So the design of this smartphone was so much attractive to me. What do you think about the design of this smartphone? You can inform me in comment box. Then secondly, if I would like to talk about the display of this smartphone. The smartphone has 6.5 inches LTPO OLED panel. This display is supporting 120 Hz higher refresh rate. For the higher refresh rate, whenever you will feel any kind of sports by the display, that time you will get a smooth experience from the display. And also the display has Full HD Plus resolution. For the Full HD Plus resolution, we can watch any kind of videos without any kind of problem. And for the protection of the display has Corning Gorilla Glass Big Touch 2. Thirdly, if I would like to talk about the camera of this smartphone. Before starting the video, I was mentioned that the smartphone has 3-fold camera setup. The main sensor of this smartphone is 48 megapixel. Secondary sensor is 12 megapixel telephoto, and the third one is 12 megapixel ultra wide. You will OIS at the rear camera section, and also you can make a video with 8K resolution by the camera. As a front camera, you will find 12 megapixel wide sensor. By the front camera, you can make a video with 4K resolution, but you cannot make a video with 8K resolution by using the selfie camera. Here you will find only EIS, but you cannot see any kind of OIS system. So in my opinion, rear camera of this smartphone is better than selfie camera. Right now, if I would like to talk about the performance of this smartphone, as a review of this smartphone has Adreno 750, and also the smartphone is running Android 14. As a chipset, Sony used here Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Generation 3, which is 4nm chipset. You all know about that. This chipset is so much powerful, and you can purchase this smartphone by only 12GB RAM and 256GB internal storage, and also 12GB RAM and 512GB internal storage. So we can expect this smartphone can give us a strong performance, because here we will find a powerful chipset. Lastly, if I would like to talk about the battery of this smartphone. The smartphone has 5000 mAh lithium polymer battery. If you would like to charge the battery, then company will give you a 30W first charger. As a feature, you will find side-mounted fingerprint. But in this budget range, we can accept under display fingerprint from the smartphone. So that was all today's video. If you have any kind of question about the smartphone, then you can ask me in comment box. See you with a brand new video.